Hey, Vibrations and Manifestations family, and welcome. So, in our main discussion, we're tackling a massive question in the world of conscious creation. Are you supposed to be this meticulous architect of your reality, or are you here to be a master of your vibration? Well, think of this as your quick visual guides to the two powerful paths we're exploring. I really wanted to put this together for you because if you've ever felt kind of torn between different teachings, or if you've ever wondered if there's just one single right way to create your experience, then this is definitely for you. So this is the big question, isn't it? The one we're diving deep into. Are we meant to be these diligent students really dissecting our own minds to learn the mechanics of reality? Or is it all about aligning our frequency, feeling good, and just, well, vibing? Let's break down both sides of this. Okay, first up, let's talk about the perspective channeled through Jane Roberts, known as Seth. The Seth material gives us this incredibly powerful idea. You are not just a passive observer in your life. No way. You are the architect. In your mind, that's the blueprint. And this right here, this is the absolute foundation of the whole Seth philosophy. It suggests that it's not really about what happens to you. It's about the deep core beliefs that are constantly projecting your reality from you. Everything you see, everything you feel and experience, it all starts right here, with what you truly hold to be true. So, how does this actually work in practice? Well, according to this model, your conscious mind is the one that sets the target, but it's your inner self, your subconscious, that actually brings it into being. Every single thought, every feeling, it's what's called an incipient event, basically a seed for something that's going to manifest. So just look around you, your home, your job, your relationships. They're all the physical result, the materialization of your internal beliefs. All right, so where do you even apply this incredible architectural power? Seth is super clear about this. Right now, this very moment, the present moment is your workshop. It's from this point of power that you get to choose new beliefs. And what's amazing is that not only shapes your future, it can actually reshape how you see and are affected by your past. Okay, so we've got the blueprint from the architect. Now let's bring in the other approach, the one we often associate with Abraham Hicks, the vibe. See, where Seth is all about examining the structure of your beliefs, this path is about managing your emotional frequency. It's less about building and more about attracting and allowing. And here you can really see the two paths side by side. The architect, Seth. That perspective asks you to focus on digging into your core beliefs, doing that conscious psychological work. And the goal? To deeply understand the mechanics of how you create. Then you have the vibe from Abraham Hicks, which asks you to focus on aligning your emotional vibration simply by reaching for a better feeling thought. The goal there is just to allow a natural state of well-being to flow to you. So, which one is it, the architect or the vibe? Well, here's the truth. You don't actually have to choose. You aren't meant to be a follower of just one path. You are the integrator of your own. I just love this metaphor. I mean, think about it, right? You'd never go to a buffet and eat every single thing there. Of course not. You take what looks and feels good and nourishing to you in that moment. It's the exact same thing here. You have total permission to take the pieces from any teaching that really resonate and build your own unique spiritual practice. And this right here is the bottom line. No teacher, no philosophy, no channeled entity holds the ultimate truth for you. You do. You hold the light of your own awareness, and you hold the key to your own inner wisdom. The power to decide, it's always been yours. So how do you actually do this? Well, it's a pretty simple 4-step process. First, just step back from the whole debate. See these ideas as tools in a toolbox, not rigid doctrines. Then look within. Tune out all the noise and just check in with yourself. Gently ask, what do I need right now? Do I need structure or do I need flow? Analysis or feeling? And finally, whatever answer comes up, just impress it. Accept it for this moment with zero judgment. And this brings us completely full circle, doesn't it? Right back to that really profound concept. Your point of power is always now. The choice of which tool to use, which path to walk, it's not some lifelong contract you're signing. It's a decision you make in this moment, for this moment. So I'm going to ask you directly, just checking in with yourself right here, right now, which energy feels more supportive for where you are and where you want to go? Do you need that meticulous clarity of the architect, or do you need the joyful ease of the vibe? And whatever your answer is, just know this. It is the right one. Trust that inner guidance. Your path is uniquely yours, and the tools you choose to walk it with are yours to select, to blend, and ultimately to master. Now, this explainer, we're really just scratching the surface here. To really get into the nuances, the history, and the practical ways you can apply both of these incredible philosophies, you'll definitely want to check out the full audio deep dive. You can find that full discussion from Vibrations and Manifestations wherever you get your podcasts. It's titled Seth versus Abraham Hicks. Are we here to learn or just to vibe? Thanks so much for joining me for this visual breakdown.